Welcome student. I discuss here another important problem for the student who deem to be an engineer. So before starting my problem, you are requested to subscribe my channel and stay with me. Okay. Now the problem is 1 plus x square whole to the power t, that is equals to a0 minus a1x plus a2x square and to a to n x to the power 2n. Then we have four options here. We have to find which is correct one. Okay. So first our question is 1 plus x square whole to the power p, that is equals to a0 a1x plus a2x square and tending to x to the power 2n. Now we put here x equals to iota. What is iota? Iota equals to square root of minus. Now the question is how we can realize that here we put x equals to iota by this. Look at this. This is no real roots. This is only the complex root. So we put here x equals to iota. Now 1 plus iota square whole to the power p, that is equals to a suffix 0 plus a1 iota plus a2 iota square and so on to a to n iota whole to the power. We know that iota square equals to minus 1. We need to square this. Iota square equals to minus 1. So here 1 plus iota minus 1 whole to the power p, that is equals to a0 plus iota a1 minus a2 minus iota a3. Okay, and so on to, that is here minus iota whole square means minus 1 whole to the power n a suffix n. Okay. Now this one and this one cancel out. So my iota whole to the power p, that is equals to, if we arrange this term, we get a0 minus a2 plus a4 minus a6 and so on, plus iota into a1 minus a3 plus a5 minus a7 and so on, then bracket. Okay, if we erase this, now look at this. Here if n is odd, then real iota whole to the power n, that is equals to 0 if n is odd. Okay, so real part of iota whole to the power n equals to 0. Then we have a0 minus a2 plus a4 minus a6 here and so on, that is equals to 0 here if n is odd. Okay, again sorry, if n is even, then we have, that is imaginary iota to the power n equals to 0. The imaginary part of iota to the power n is 0. So we have a1 minus a3 plus a5 minus a7, that is equals to 0 if n is. So these two options are correct. The remaining option, that is n equals to 4p, p belongs positive integer. So positive integer, this is even function, obviously n equals to even. So for the even function we get the result here. Okay, we get here. So this is the correct option and this is not. Again, when n equals to 4p plus 1, where p iota, this is obviously odd, and for the odd integer we get the result here. Okay, that is we get the result here. So this is also discarded, so c and d are incorrect answer, whereas a and b is the correct answer. Okay, please subscribe my channel for getting this type of more problem for me. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.